Algorithm is a very important concept in computer science. We use it not only in computer science, but in our daily lives. An informal definition can be that an algorithm is a sequence of steps that transform an input into an output. This sequence of steps have a specific order that we need to follow. It is like when we are preparing a meal. We have the ingredients, we have a recipe that shows us the steps we must follow, and as a result, if we follow the recipe, we will get the meal that we desire. That is just one of the many examples of how we apply algorithms in our daily lives. If you want to learn more about these and other related topics, you can visit my website, computinglearner.com.